Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dy.Speaker Jong Yindor Bathauan ke Jelau Timothy di Shira. Ulang Mudui da ke Mukotduma Persha Ngut ki Briew ki betip kerteng kum ka Mikanchi Sangma ke Bana Golpara District jong Jela Assam badi ubal serang marak wana North Garo Hills District nomor ke jimpin thop ria jongki yau da ke Pynsngewthuh Bakla ki Paidbah link ba ke YouTube. Habakaran cikilar Thai kubor Timothy loong Bakla Pynsngewthuh Bakla ke jingkran jong Yindor bar halo ke jingkran berwanra ke nong ba telang lani ke winter capital Hatura. Ulang bagi di Briew kala kena ba ulang Persha ya kajat Briew lajong kata kajat Briew Garo. Kum tahu la pentip ba ulang Mudui atli ki Mukotduma kuwe ka criminal defamation case ba kuwe pat ka civil defamation case.
Two person. One is Balsam Sangma and one is Mikanchi Armala.
Sangma.
Who are individuals. One is a person, a man from my constituency, and other one is from Dorongre from Assam.
What is the allegation?
What is the allegation? They have made it viral in the YouTube. So regarding my speech in the assembly with regard to the making to the winter capital. So there I think you have the record of my speech. So they said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details and what I have spoken in the house, they have made plus in the YouTube that I am totally against my community. I am totally against the construction, making to the winter capital, and thereby, you see, he has. He said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community. That man is Garo.
What is the today we have filed two different defamations. One is civil defamation and one is the criminal defamation. In a criminal defamation, we can prove our allegation that they will be punished as per the criminal law, and we have also filed a defamation suit for claiming a damage of 100 crores from each of them. And this is because they have wrongly interpreted what my client, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the assembly. One of the accused person or the defendant is from Assam, who has nothing to do with Meghalaya. She has interpreted the statement given or the speech what he has spoken in the assembly in a different manner, and that has defamed my client in his constituency, in the Garo Hills area, and in the entire Meghalaya. For that, he has agreed with the action of these two people. That is why he has approached this Honorable Court today by filing these two defamation cases. Honorable Deputy Speaker has spoken in the Assembly against that they have made a video whereby certain allegation was made against of him. This allegation against my client, as per his understanding, was wrong, whatever they have interpreted. And now, since the matter is sub judice before this Honorable Court, it will not be wise for us to give more details than this. Thank you so much.
No, these two individuals.
Oh, one is the YouTuber and one is just mere social media user.
YouTuber is from where?
It's from Garo Hills.
One is from Assam.
One is from Assam and one is from Garo Hills.
Can you give the correct name?
Yeah, one is Mikanchi Sangma, another one is Balsrang Mara. Mikanchi Sangma is from Garo Hills, Golpara district, and the other one is from North Garo Hills. Thank you so much.
They are he or she?
One is he and one is she. Come sir. Thank you.